In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email a guest in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and head to the main homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This is where you can move between the different sections of your account and access booking details quickly. From that menu, click on Bookings. This will take you to the area where all of your reservations are listed. If you manage multiple bookings, this section helps you locate the exact guest record you need before sending any communication. Next, look for the guest name that you want to email. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct booking, especially if there are similar names or multiple reservations close together. Choosing the right guest record is important so your message goes to the intended person. Once you've found the correct guest, click on the guest name. This opens the booking details page, where you can view more information related to that reservation. On this page, look for the envelope icon. The envelope icon is the option used to begin creating an email directly from the booking. After you click the envelope icon, you'll be taken to the email screen. Here, type in the name of the guest in the appropriate field. This helps confirm that the message is being prepared for the right contact. It's always a good idea to double check the recipient information before moving on. Next, enter your subject line. Keep the subject clear and specific so the guest immediately understands what the email is about. For example, a simple subject related to their reservation, arrival details, or follow-up message will make your communication easier to recognize. Then, compose your message in the body of the email. Write your message clearly and professionally, and make sure the information is easy for the guest to understand. If you're sharing important details, it can help to keep your wording direct and organized so nothing gets overlooked. Once you finish writing, take a brief moment to review everything. Check the guest name, the subject line, and the message itself for accuracy and clarity. This quick review can help prevent mistakes and ensure your email sounds polished and helpful. When everything looks good, click send. And that's it. That's how to email a guest in Ownerrez. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very fast and easy, making it simple to stay in touch with your guests directly from the booking record.